Hello guys, welcome back to another video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Barclays credit card account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your Barclays credit card account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get back to the video. So, to log into your Barclays credit card account, open your Google search and type in Barclays credit card login and make a search. Among the displayed search results, click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Barclays. To sign in to your Barclays credit card account, enter your username and password associated with the account. You can tick mark on the box just below the password if you want to remember your username. Now, all you need to do is tap on Login. This is how you can log into your Barclays credit card account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.